Hello everyone, so today is ML day 4. So last time we were on building AI chatbots with memory basically. So it was capable of retaining the previous conversation and answering based on that. So from there I went to using RAG, like basic use of RAG. So that is we are uploading a document and from there we can ask questions. So just let me run it. It won't take time. So okay, from here to wait and Python 5. Let me see if it's working. Okay, it will take time. It will need to read the document first and then create the embeddings. Great. So basically this was let it run the terminal first. That means reading the PDF and embedding it. So from there I went to building on an app. Basically here we add from the RAG, we added metadata, like metadata basically some additional information. So which is basically here we mention as page number and page title, and the heading basically page number and chapter title, two things as adds information and metadata, and then we use Timer to deploy it. And the third one we made basically, so we merged our RAG um, project with the AI chatbot. So basically this was the best one. So when we ask a question, the AI try to answer using the PDF, and if it can't find the answer in the PDF, then it will give answer on its general knowledge. Okay, so here is PDF is already uploaded. Not uploaded. It already read the PDF, we can say. For the example of AI chatbot, when I run using the template, okay, it's ready. Setup is ready. Let me ask the question. Helen Keller, who is Helen Keller? Okay, yeah, I got answer. Helen Keller was vital to feeling spiritual. She is also no. I get an answer, but it was not a better one. Let me ask. What are her hobbies? What does she like and hate the most? Hobbies based on document. These are hobbies. These are the likes and these were the hates. Great. Now, so this simple conversation like things. Mention the places we have visited. Mention the places she has traveled. Mention Niagara. Okay, it does not mention all the places. Okay, so I think we'll need to work on making it a bit better. Okay, what more can we ask? Okay, let's stop it here. So, and this was a simple use of RAG. Basically, we have put a document, we'll ask questions and get the answers. And next was RAG plus metadata and the streamlit. And the third one, final one, basically we merged the RAG with the chatbot. So when we run this code, we will get this like, okay, do I need to run it again? It will take time. I will not write. Okay, I will not run it again. Basically, I take time to upload the PDF and then embed the entire chunks, like entire text. So when I asked what are the hobbies of Helen Keller, I mentioned 5 best work in literature. So it mentioned the hobbies. For her best work, I think it didn't get the question well. So I asked it again. Mention only 3 books written by Helen Keller. Give the brief summary of 3 lines on each book. So I got the answer: Story of My Life, the same book, The World I Live In, and The Teacher, and brief summary. And also it showed that please note this information is not from the PDF. So this was interesting. When you ask question, it will reply and will express. It will mention that whether it is from the PDF or from my general knowledge. This was the basic work. So okay, I have done AI chatbot, use of basic RAG. From then I will next day I will try to build work on basics of AI agents using tools. Okay, from there we can move to LangGraph. Well, this is just basic hands-on RAG and AI chatbots. So if we have to make it better, so we can work on each specific path. Basically, okay, that's all for now. Bye bye.